What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Cajun fried corn. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need corn on the cob, parsley, brown sugar, butter, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, smoked paprika, grated Parmesan cheese, and ranch seasoning. Begin by cutting the corn into fours. Finely chop parsley. Fry the corn on each side for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden. Now we're going to make the butter mixture. Melt 1 stick of butter, add a half tablespoon of salt, a half tablespoon of garlic powder, a half tablespoon of onion powder, a half tablespoon of ranch seasoning, a half tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a half tablespoon of brown sugar, and a half tablespoon of parsley. Pour the butter mixture over the corn and toss. Season the taste with grated Parmesan cheese. And there you have it, Cajun fried corn. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.